Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S23. So as you can see right here, I've got the S23 Ultra. So if I want to customize my lock screen, what I can do is I can click on the lock button, and then obviously what you need to do now is you need to click and hold down on the lock screen, and then if you've got a PIN, it will go ahead and ask you to enter in your PIN. So once you do this, your lock screen should now look like this, and then as you can see, there is several different apps and things here which are now highlighted. So for me, let's just say that I wanted to change the look of the clock. Click on the clock and you can kind of change what it looks like. So I could have this one, and then what I can do is if I go back, I can now click on my notifications, and then what that will do is it will kind of show me obviously different options that I have right here. What I can do now is I can also change the apps which are in the bottom left and the bottom right of the screen. So click on those and you can literally obviously choose whichever app that you want to have it as. And then obviously what you can do then is you can click on wallpapers and you can change the wallpapers and all stuff like that. You can also change the colours, the styles, and everything like that. So that's how easy it is to customize your lock screen on your new Samsung Galaxy S23, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.